जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स। आज की वीडियो में जानेंगे फ्रेंड्स आज स्वान ऑफ अर्थक्वेक के बारे में। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स स्टार्ट करते हैं। देखिए फ्रेंड, स्टेट ऑफ एमआईसी has been declared हो चुका है इस आइसलैंड after a storm of 800 earthquakes rocked its Iceland country of its southwestern regions of peninsula. What is the storm of earthquake and how Iceland of a geography act as the catalyst of this earthquake? देखिए लार्जेस्ट earthquake है occur होता है first in this sequence followed by a series of similar shocks. मतलब देखिए छोटे से लेकर बड़ा बड़ा निकलता हुआ earthquake of a decay over the period of ranging from week to decade भी लग सकता है। देखिए week से लेके decade में 10 साल तक लग सकता है। On average the magnitude of the largest aftershock of a trend to be about 1 meter of magnitude, unit smaller than of a millishock. देखिए located between the Eurasian and North American tectonic plate, among the largest on the plate island of seismic volcanic hotspot, as the two plates and moves in a opposite direction. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, how can be earthquake storms be product of a volcanic activity? Deep under the earth's surface, intense heat melt rocks to form of magma, a thick following of substances lighter than the solid rock. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, this drives is upwarded and most of its gas trapped in the magma chambers and deep underground. However, a tiny fraction erupts through the event and fissures on the surface, causing a volcanic eruption. देखिए now the movement of magma close to the earth's surface exert from the on the surrounding rocks, which often cause of earthquake storm. देखिए फ्रेंड्स, when and where is the erupt likely to be take place? देखिए Fagler drizzles gels rise about 40 kilometers to the southeast of Reykjavik and the east of the world newest baby volcano. A considerable amount of magma is moving in an area extending from the Sandrujuka Gigom in the northwest of Grindavik. देखिए Grindavik, a town of 4,000 on the Iceland southern coast, lie about 10 kilometers from the site of previous Fagardalsfjall eruption. चलिए फ्रेंड जाते थे क्वेश्चन में हम एंटर कर लेते हैं। With which of the following countries did India have been 2+2 dialogue है? जापान, रूसिया, यूके एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया, फ्रांस, इटली, यूएई, सऊदी अरेबिया, नेदरलैंड्स, स्विट्जरलैंड, डेनमार्क, ग्रीनलैंड, नॉर्थ। तो फ्रेंड्स इसका जो भी राइट आंसर है आप कमेंट में पुट कीजिएगा। थैंक यू।